Revenue recognition is riddled with complexities. One of them, and the largest one, is actually dealing with contract modifications. So, how to deal with a price and a scope change in the contract? Hi, my name is Ramanujam Narayan. I am a global GAAP expert with more than 15 years of corporate experience. I have trained and transformed more than 1000 finance professionals in my life in the areas of US GAAP, Indian GAAP and IFRS. Let's go back to the school again. There is a company known as Moondial Limited. Moondial is in the business of manufacturing VR headsets, which is known as virtual reality headsets. There's a lot of market demand today. Okay. Now they are selling this particular set of handsets to GameMart Limited. Okay. Totally they have sold 200 virtual reality headsets. Listen to me very carefully. 200 virtual reality headsets at the rate of 1000 per headset. So the total consideration value is 2 lakh INR. Right? Now, this product is seeing a significant boom in the market and there is a significant demand in the market, due to which the price of this particular product in the retail market becomes 1800. Right? Now, the moment the price of this particular product becomes 1800, there is a demand. Now, GameMart, who is an existing customer, comes to Moondial Limited and says that, I want incremental 60 VR headsets. I won't pay as per the retail listing price of 1800, but I will pay you a bulk consideration of 72,000 rupees. Now when I say 72,000 rupees, my per headset cost based on this is 1,200 per headset. So there are three prices involved at this point of time. 1,000 per headset, which was the original price, 1,800 which is the retail price, and 1,200 which is the revised price for the new order. Now the question that should come to your mind, is it a modification in the contract? And if it is modification in the contract, whether it is a separate contract or it is the same contract. Now, to mention that it is a separate contract as a part of contract modification, two criteria have to be fulfilled. Criteria number 1, it has to be a distinct performance obligation. Criteria number 2, the distinct performance obligation should reflect the standalone selling price. Now let us put these criteria in this particular example. Now out of this 200 virtual headsets, 120 pieces have already been delivered. The undelivered portion in this particular set of headsets is 80. So 80 headsets in the old order, 60 headsets in the new order. Now looking at these two criteria, is it a distinct performance obligation? Yes, because I have got an order of incremental 60 headsets. Now, does this distinct performance obligation reflects the standalone selling price? The selling price in the market is 1800 and I am getting only 1200. It does not reflect the standalone selling price of that particular product. If both the criteria are not getting fulfilled, it cannot be a separate contract and it is only a price change in the existing contract. So the subsequent accounting will be as follows. I have my undelivered products to the extent of 140 headsets, that is 80 from the original order plus 60 from the new order. I have my new price, or the total value of consideration that is pending to be paid from the customer end is 80,000 from the previous order and 60,000 from the new order. So my total consideration that is pending to be satisfied or pending to be received is 1,52,000. So my revised selling price that I have to account in my books of accounts is 1,52,000 divided by 140 headsets, which comes to 1085.71 per headset. Guys, what has changed? Just look at it. My original price was 1,000. My retail selling price is 1,800. My discounted price is 1,200. Ultimately, my revenue per headset based on the revised modulation is 1085.71. To know the commercial implication behind such contracts, join me in a 3-hour breakthrough webinar which we are going to conduct in order to inculcate the practical learnings of IFRS 15, where you will actually learn how to apply these concepts in order to create a bottom line impact. Register on the link in the description below to enroll yourself today.